Well, I was out riding today at the ORV park, and about an hour into my ride, I started to hear a really annoying clicking sound. It was a little bit hard to tell where the clicking sound was coming from at first, but after a little bit of investigation, I determined it was coming from the area of the clutch. Before I took the clutch cover off, I turned the bike off, I put it in first gear, I pulled the clutch lever in, and if I rolled the bike backwards, I could hear a rhythmic clicking, like click, click, click. So I knew there was something going on in the clutch area, but I couldn't really tell. So I went ahead and pulled the clutch cover off, and this is what I saw inside the clutch cover. I saw that it was scored, and it was catching this little stamp right here. And then when I looked back at my spring bolts, I saw that some of these spring bolts had come loose and were actually extended way out beyond the clutch assembly. So it was rubbing the inside of the basket and making that clicking sound every time it caught the edge of that metal stamp. So in order to fix this problem, obviously I had to remove the clutch cover, and that's done pretty easily. Just remove 5 bolts, 2 at the top, they're long ones, and then 3 shorter ones here at the bottom. Here's what they look like. Again, the 2 long ones go on the top. In order to make room to remove the clutch cover, you have to lower the brake pedal here, and to get it low enough, you need to remove the pin that's in here. Those pieces are here. There's just a little cotter pin like that. They bend flat, a washer, and then this guy is what holds everything together here. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these clutch spring bolts in. I'm going to go in a crisscross pattern. That one down there was the only one. No, I take that back. Just this one and this one here were the only 2 that were tight. The other 3 had come completely loose. Alright, well, off camera I'm going to go ahead and put the clutch cover back on and set the brake back up, and then I'll let you know if it doesn't work. If it does work, that's the end of this video. And if you found this helpful, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check back here. I've got a variety of motorcycle related videos, as well as a bunch of other hobby related videos that you might be interested in. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.